How's it going, guys? Welcome to CardBreakKids.com. We are doing a full case of Gold Standard tonight on February 28th, 2016. There is a 29th tomorrow, leap year, but for today, we are doing a full case of Gold Bricks. Now, on the left side of the stream, you'll see the teams and the owners, and I made sure that those are updated, so those are the ones. And everyone that bid on it won, so it's good. So no confusion, no last minute who paid for what, for not, for what, for this and that, okay? Now, here we go. If you bought in on eBay, you want it, it's yours. And how about that Steph Curry? How about that Steph Curry guy? I was driving back to the dungeon today, and I was listening to the radio. All these fans are talking how Steph isn't the best, how Steph is this, Steph is that. You know what? I don't even care how they feel. They're just jealous. They're just jealous. Haters gonna hate, and ain'ters are gonna ain't. Anyways. It's alright. Here we go. 12 gold bars. Very simple. Simple and easy break tonight. And here we go. Start of box number 1. Gold Standard. Panini America Gold Standard. Making sure my stream is good. Alright, here we go. Let's do it. Gold bars time. Pack number 1. Okay, short print first. 15 out of 15, Orlando Magic, going to Zhang Liangzi, Penny Hardaway, 15 of 15. And then we have Tony Allen, 209 of 99. Spree for the New York Knicks, 288 of 299. Spreewell. And for the Knicks, one more time, 67 of 299, Langston Galloway. And for the Los Angeles Lakers, first hit, 24 of 25. Wrong guy, but a nice patch. Robert Sacre, 24 of 25. But check out that patch. Gold Strike autograph. Ooh. LA Lakers going to Israel M. And the next hit, triple winner, 28 of 99. Going to the Boston Celtics, which is Jack A. Terry Rozier. 28 of 99. Last one out of this box. Motherload. 67 of 99. Phoenix Suns. Going to Logic Boy. PJ Tucker. Logic. One team in hits. Congrats, Logic. Pretty much anything that's big is going to Israel. Let's just put it that way. Alright, here we go. 20 of 79 going to the Pacers. Jordan Hill. Then for the Phoenix Suns, 284 of 299. J. Kidd. 289 of 299. Atlanta Hawks going to John S. Kyle Korver. And then we have 288 of 299, LA Lakers, Elgin Baylor. On to the hits for the New Orleans Pelicans, Cal T, top 51, 2 of 25, 2-color patch. Drew Holiday, not Anthony Davis, but you get a Drew Holiday, 2 of 25. Top 51. Congratulations. Up next, for the Brooklyn Nets, 172 of 199, rookie, single window, Chris McCullough. Chris McCullough. 172 of 199. Last but not least, for the New York Knicks, Israel M. One more time, 26 of 79, Langston Galloway, New York Knicks. That's 2. It ain't over yet, Cal. Don't give up. You probably still get yourself a what's his name for the Raptors? What's that dude's name? God damn it. DeLon Wright. You're probably gonna get DeLon Wright. Here we go. 25 of 79, Dallas Mavericks, Darren Williams. 283 of 299, Yusuf Nurkic, Denver Nuggets. And for the Philadelphia 76ers, Nick Stauskas, 74 of 299. And then Aaron Gordon, 6 of 299. I don't know if it's one per case or what, but 30 of 99, triple window, Karl Anthony Towns, rookie on-card auto, triple window, out of 99, 30 of 99, 2 office jersey number. Every case that we opened, we had a Karl Anthony Towns. Every case. So far. Atlanta Hawks, one more time. Mother load, 75 of 99. Kyle Korver. And then for the LA Lakers, Golden Graphs, 47 of 75. Throwback, on-card auto, Kazi Russell. 47 of 75. Okay, that's box number 3. Number 4. Yeah, every single case that we opened, I think we had a Karl Anthony Towns. Every single case. That's a good one. Oh, we got a redemption. 57 of 79, Darren Collison for the Kings. 61 of 299 for the Rockets, T-Mac. 233 of 299, Markieff Morris for the Suns, Logic Boy. And for the Charlotte Hornets, 74 of 299. This is Alonzo Mourning. And then between the Grizzlies and the Celtics. Celtics going to Jack A and Grizz. I know it's Peter T. You guys get to duel it out. 4 of 25, Jordan Mickey. We'll randomize that after, okay? And the redemption, rookie jersey autograph double for the Boston Celtics, R.J. Hunter. Last but not least for the Orlando Magic, 14 karat, so it was out of 40. 28 of 40, Orlando Magic, Zhang Liang Z, Alfred Payton, EP, 28 of 40, Alfred. Box number 5. Bottom card for the Cleveland Cavaliers, 4 of 79, Matthew Dellavedova. The Markieff Morris, one more time, 134 of 299 for the Suns. One more time, Alonzo Mourning, dub of dub 99. And then Golden Debuts rookie card, short print, out of 50 for the Denver Nuggets. Going to Israel M, 26 of 99, Emmanuel Mudiay. Golden Debuts. Mudiay. And for the LA Clippers, going to Davis H, 96 of 99, Cedric Maxwell. 96 of 99, Davis H. And 44 of 199, Israel M. Single window, 44 of 199. Jaleel Okafor. Last but not least, for the Indiana Pacers, 19 of 99. The Motherlode. Indiana Pacers throwback card. Zhang Liangzi with Rick Smits. 19 of 99. The real 45. Rick Smits. Okay, that's box 5. Yeah, you don't want to know Izzy's bill for this break. I don't think he broke even yet. 6 boxes to go. ZZ, I suppose you're Zhang. Zhang. So let me mod you one time. Welcome to the break, brother. That's a Chinese name. I'm Chinese too. That's good. It's good. Chinese people. Alright. Bottom card first. 24 of 79. TP9 Network. Tony Parker. 167 of 299. Cleveland Cavaliers. Kevin Love. K-Love. 177 of 299. Dikembe Mutombo. Atlanta Hawks. And for the Kings, 123 of 299. Boogie Cousins. And for the San Antonio Spurs, card closeout with a hit. 12 of 67. Good as gold. Patty Mills. For the Spurs. Patty Mills out of 67. Good as gold. And for the Boston Celtics, if you didn't know, we always hit 5 of 149. Jordan Mickey. Or 45? It's a 5. 5 of 149. Jordan Mickey. And then for the T-Blaze, 49 of 79. T-Blaze. Minnesota. Portland Trail Blazers. Going to Peter T. Mason Plumlee. 49 of 79. Mason Plumlee. Alright, that's half the box. Half the case. Half the case. Alright, second half. Going right through it today. So we got our 2 big rookies. Now let's see if we're going to get a veteran auto. A cool veteran auto. Oh, here we go. 29 of 79 short print. Arvydas Sabonis for the Blazers. Penny Hardaway, 165 of 299. 164 off his jersey number. Very easy. Tobias Harris, 92 of 299. Sorry, he's still going to Magic. And 43 of 299. Kevin McHale for the Celts. And we have a... Whoa! I don't know if this is good. Because the player sucks. Peter T. Peter T, where you at? Pat. 1 of 1 of 1. I don't know if you wanted this, but it's a 1 of 1. Apparently, Pat Connaughton wears triple XL. Come on, stream. There we go. Pat Connaughton, 1 of 1. Cool, but he does suck. I like that. But it is still a 1 of 1. He sucks, but it's a 1 of 1. Just cut it out and just put Dame Lillard's face on it. No? It's a 1 of 1 though. And for the next one, 187 of 199, Sam Decker. And you gotta love Panini allotment because guess what? You get another Mason Plumlee. You get 2. Houston Rockets. Charlotte S. That's right. That's right. That's right. Love Panini allotment back-to-back boxes to Miles Plumlee. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. It's okay, Davis. You didn't miss anything except for a 1-of-1 Pat Connaughton triple window. Alright, anyways. 3 of 15 Brooklyn Nets. Going to Davis H. 3 of 15 Brook Lopez. Terrence Jones, 285 of 299 Houston Rockets. Yeah, you missed a Pat Connaughton 1-of-1. 136 of 299 Ronnie Cycli. 85 of 299 refractor looking card Andrew Wiggins. Andrew Wiggins. And we have a 93 of 99. God knows why, but it's going to the Toronto Raptors. Cal T. I don't know why, but Jalen Rose is apparently better as a Raptor compared to all the other years that he played. Jalen Rose, Cal T. Miami Heat, Davis H. As if you don't have enough of this guy. 103 of 149, double window. 2 dual window. Justice. 103 of 149, Justice Winslow. LA Lakers, 14K. 68 of 99, Tariq Black. Trust me, guys. Israel is not making money yet with 4 boxes to go. We hit another triple window. Not Jaleel. Karl Anthony Towns, and then we had a single window Jaleel Davis. Every case that we opened so far, Karl Anthony Towns. Every single case that we opened had. Oh, another. We got another redemption. Whoop, let's look first. Aha. I get a sneak peek because I'm bragging. 13 of 79, Swaggy P. 112 of 299, Hassan Whiteside. Yeah. 294 of 299, Kyrie. 239 of 299, Mason Plumlee. And for the Dubs, finally something tight. 4 of 25 for the Golden State Warriors. Golden Trios, Andre Iguodala, Harrison Barnes, Draymond Green. Golden Trios, check out my page. 4 of 25, AIHBN, Dre. Who do you want, Davis? Steph, Clay, and James Michael McAdoo? Come on, man. Come on, man. And that is right. Redemption time. Gold Standard. Rookie jersey autograph. Jumbo. Stanley Johnson. Detroit Pistons. Davis H. Scratch it. And for the Boston Celtics, for the third hit already, 43 of 99. Gold scripts. Dave Cowens. I am clearly chewing on my cough drop way too much for me to say Draymond. Draymond. Okay, box number 9. The truth will set you free. 64 of 79 for the Clips. Paul Pierce. 132 of 299. No, 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 not today. Dikembe Mutombo. Boogie Cousins. 236 of 299. For the Dubs. Golden Debuts. 9 of 50. Kevon Looney. 9 of 50. And then for Golden Trios this time, Gordon Hayward, Trey Burke, Derek Favor, Utah Jazz, Josh H. 13 of 25. I was talking to Jay this morning, Davis. He said, this hit is most likely going to happen. And guess what? Guess what? 19 of 49. For the Dubs, Kevon Looney. He said, this is more likely to happen than anything in the world. Check out that wannabe Andrew Wiggins autograph. Thanks, Kevon. And for the Chicago Bulls, 51 of 99. Mark of Gold. A little bleeding on the auto, but it is what it is. 51 of 99. Nikola Mirotic. Chicago, Cody D. I think everybody had a hit today. Except for the... Yeah, everybody got something. Everybody got something there. No, I mean, I'm just saying, like, every person that bought into the break hit something. Not, like, you know... Uh-oh, why is it so shiny? Why is it so shiny? I think that's another Dubs hit, guys. Or Pacers. I can't tell, but it's 7. What can this be? Is it the Knicks? Pacers? Warriors? I don't know. Sneak peek. 59 of 79. Tobias Harris. Magic. Come on. Alright. Dikembe, one more time. 112, 299. Again, Boogie Cousins. 263 of 299. MKG. 232 of 299. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. 6 of 25. Golden Pairs. Thought it was bigger than this. AIN. Julius Irving. Going to, guess who? Izzy. Easy. AI and Dr. J. 6 of 25. So you get the jersey number of Dr. J. Next thing for the Pacers. 72 of 199. Miles Turner. Nice hit for the Pacers. Miles doing his work, actually. Believe it or not. Zing Ling Zing. ZZ. Congratulations. And 14K, this is out of 40. 17 of 40, Davis H. Blake. On-card auto, Blake Griffin. So it was a Pacers hit. Of course, I love Blake. Love Blake Griffin. Better than nothing. Oh, it's okay. I'm gonna go with the team. Don't worry. I'm not gonna go with the spreadsheet. If I made a mistake, I'm sorry. I will correct it. Always correct. Always correct. Don't worry. It happens. Okay, here we go. 66 of 79, Brook Lopez. $92 of $299, Nick Stauskas. 296 of 299, Aaron Gordon. PG-13, 112 of 299. For the Cleveland Cavaliers, Thomas W. Oh, Thomas is the last one to hit, actually. 36 of 99, single window of Mo Williams. And for the Rockets, triple window, 61 of 99, Montrezl Harrell. Triple window. Looks like you have to sign the autograph twice. He's like, well, let me give you the good one. MH. Last but not least, for the San Antonio Spurs, card closeouts. Motherload, 2 of 99, Ray McCollum. Before I go into randomize these two for the Celtics and the Grizz, the biggest hit so far tonight's 1 of 1. I know it's a 1 of 1. Wrong guy. Pat Connaughton. So nice of a card, but it's Pat Connaughton. Ugh. 44 of 199, Jaleel. 30 of 99, Karl Anthony Towns, triple window. 30 of 99, Karl Anthony Towns. Alright, here we go. With the Grizzlies and the Celtics. Well, we start from left to right, so when I list it, it will be Grizzlies, and then it will be the Celtics. Whoa, excuse me. Yeah, no problem. Always good. Always. Whoops. What am I typing? Excuse me. Random died. You're right. The Bucks did go hitless, actually. Sorry, Eric. My fault. Dice roll time. 2 dice. Rolling it. 4 times. 4 times. Grizzlies and Celtics. Grizz, Celtics. 4 times, okay? 1, 2, 3, and the last time the top team for number 1 on top will be the owner of the out of 25, Jarrell Martin and Jordan Mickey card. And here we go. It is going to the Celtics. Memphis Grizzlies. URSOL. Sorry, Peter. So this is going to the Celtics. 4 of 25, as if the Celtics didn't get enough hits. Well, let's get them another one. Boston Celtics. Jack A. Alright, you guys. Thank you for joining. We hope to see you again. Be back on Friday. It's going to be a long week for us, starting off March with a couple days, no breaks. Thank you guys. Everything shipping out tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.